State today observed Patriotic Day in memory of the state heroes who laid down their lives fighting the British during the Anglo-Manipur War in 1981. The state function was held at this morning at the Hichamyai and Thangal General Temple Complex in the heart of the Imphal to pay tributes to Bir Tikendrajit and Thangal General who were hanged to date on August 13, 1981. For waging a war against the colonialists. The day is considered as a red letter day in the history of Manipur and is annually observed as Patriotic Day. On the same day, Niranjan Suvedar, Kajau and Chirai Naga were hanged to date inside the Manipur jail. The British deported Maharaj Kulachandra and 21 others to Kalapani, the present-day Andaman and Nicobar Island. The program was attended by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Council of Ministers, top police officials and civil officials, among others. A contingent of Manipur Rifles also paid gun salute to the martyrs on this occasion. Speaking to media person, Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren said the ongoing situation in Manipur will be a normalcy soon. The efforts are on with the support of people. On the other hand, the sacrifice made by our forefathers should not be gone in vain, Chief Minister added.
We sacrifice when they park the home, how not in jail, Wakalon, and was in Miamda, the home nation and Lorena, the Kulamana, they back the Mata, or Zazi, Siki the Mata, Amatoina, Puna, Lemina, and the Bible, the machine, Hona. Wasak Lomin she have been loading it. I know Makim of the Sweden, like the about focusing upon the Sweden, Salanja, the Kunamoki, that would be the
Landukan Gamino, coming to Pima. Angasi, Salam,
I don't give question to the Koyakuna, the way of Kango, Manipur, Masetana, the Kango, Razaga, Pun, and Kennedy. Almost tamna santi pibam halai pe ma'am puna mangna Manipur level praja puna ma amo toina puna ka santi puna ma already economy